I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to blur your face on TikTok. You don't have to let being shy or wanting to guard your privacy keep you off TikTok. A great way to still participate on the platform and retain some privacy is to blur your face. Blurring your face on TikTok is relatively easy and can be done by adding a specific effect. Now let's walk through the steps to blur your face on TikTok. Step 1. Launch the TikTok app on your iPhone, iPad, or Android device. You'll land on your TikTok home screen. Step 2. Tap the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to record a new TikTok. The recording screen is displayed. Step 3. Tap Effects. The TikTok Effects menu is shown. Step 4. Tap the search icon at the top of the effects menu and then search for Not Visible. You'll see a list of results. Step 5. Tap Not Visible. Your face will be blurred. Leave the Not Visible effect active to blur your face in any TikToks you make. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.